Please welcome Sarah Geronimo joining us on stage. Hi, Sarah.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, Rico.
Hello. Great seeing you always. I know you had a first-hand experience on the new Oppo. What did you like about it?
Okay, it's a cool phone. I like its appearance. It's 90% metal, so very durable po yan. And what else? The 2.5D curved screen, which both features give it a premium look and feel for the phone. So, very nice.
So, nung unang pinahawak sa'yo yung Oppo, sino ang unang kinunan mo ng selfie?
Siyempre ako! Selfie agad!
Eh, maganda yung selfie camera, di ba? May flash yan eh.
Maraming features.
Did you take a photo with sa finish line? Kasi nakita ko yun eh, when he was running the marathon. I saw you hug. Did you take a photo?
Wala eh.
Wala.
Pero gusto ko talaga yung camera niya. Yung beautify mode. Kasi for us, we love taking pictures, selfies.
So you're busy, no? If you don't have the opportunity to put on makeup, you just press that button. Here we go.
May instant makeup na agad, ganun.
So this is ours to keep? Oh, thank you, ha?
Talaga ba?
What a beautiful, and it's so slim. And you know, what have you ever tried the charging?
Yes, yung book flash charging. For 30 minutes, 75% na siyang charge.
So, kabilis.
Ganon.
So, para bang kung nagbablind audition ka sa The Voice, di ba?
Yes.
So, mga 2 singers lang, biglang, uy, charge na, you can take a photo of...
Oh.
Right.
And also the color OS, di ba? Meron tayong, which allows you to do shortcuts through yung gestures like double tap, mag-on na siya, or circle. Tama?
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's really, really cool. So which one do you have? Have the light, right? Yeah, and even though, see, look, it's curved. So I know you don't advise it when people are driving and you don't text, right? But you're in a stoplight. So look, it's a lot easier to grip, di ba?
Yes.
So what can you tell to the people out there who are actually here with us and who are on over there live all over the world? What can you advise them to go get?
Ako kasi mas prefer ko yung light kasi mas yung grip, di ba?
Talagang solid.
Medyo malaki kasi sa akin to.
Pati yung mga songs, no? You can actually, congratulations by the way sa The Breakup playlist.
Did you watch it?
Oo.
Thank you.
Naramdaman ko yung nag-usap kayo through CDs.
Ay, ginawa mo na ba yan sa buhay mo?
Hindi pa. Ano lang. Pero, you know, do you guys want to hear a couple of songs from Sarah?
Okay lang ba? Yes! Nangata sila eh.
We can't hear you, I said, you guys want to hear a couple of songs?
Yes!
Yeah, they're very much excited. And I want to take videos of you using this phone.
Okay.
Ladies and